In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the GOG Patrons page quickly and easily using the GOG app. This is a simple tutorial, but if you're new to the app, it can still be helpful to know exactly where to look so you don't waste time searching through menus. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the GOG app on your device. Once the app loads, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where GOG keeps many of its main sections and navigation options. In that menu, find the option labeled GOG Patrons. When you see it, just click on GOG Patrons to open the page. That's it. Once you click it, you'll be taken directly to the GOG Patrons page, where you can view the available content and related options. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're looking through the full left menu, since some items may be listed lower down depending on your screen size or app layout. So to recap, open the GOG app, go to the left menu and click GOG Patrons. It's a fast process and now you know exactly how to get there without confusion. If this tutorial saved you some time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.